What's your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
What grade are you in?
I am in 2nd grade.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play soccer.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 8 p.m.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emma.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
What is your favorite animal?
I love dolphins.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Paw Patrol.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal for breakfast.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is science.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I love to draw.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is Minecraft.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, Mrs. Johnson is my favorite teacher.
What do you do on weekends?
I play with my friends.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you have a favorite superhero?
Yes, I like Spider-Man.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is chips.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
Can you count to 100?
Yes, I can count to 100.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is Lego.
Can you touch your toes?
Yes, I can touch my toes.
Can you ride a horse?
Yes, I can ride a horse.
What is your favorite shape?
My favorite shape is a circle.
Can you do a cartwheel?
Yes, I can do a cartwheel.
Do you like to go on picnics?
Yes, I love going on picnics.
Do you like to eat vegetables?
Yes, I like to eat vegetables.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a rose.
Can you blow bubbles?
Yes, I can blow bubbles.
What do you want for your birthday?
I want a new bike.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Can you tie your shoes?
Yes, I can tie my shoes.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I love watching cartoons.
What is your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is gummy bears.
Can you jump rope?
Yes, I can jump rope.
What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 8.